Hello, viewers. Welcome to the class for today. It's grade 4 mathematics, and today we'll be looking at how to express numbers as product of their prime factors. My student who joined the class now, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. How are you today?
Good.
You're welcome to the class for today. I
Thank
didn't
you.
I didn't give you any basic homework the last time, right?
Yeah, my
What
mom said she's gonna buy a big poster of the multiplication table so I can put it on my door.
so that you can put it what?
On my door.
Well, I don't even need it on your door. Okay.
Okay.
I need it in your head. You understand me?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Anyway, I'm going to drill you a little bit. Um, all this, if I ask you for a multiplication table, like something times something, if you get the answer, you win. That is, if you get it before I talk, you win. Okay?
Okay.
But if I say the answer before you, you lose. Okay?
Okay.
So, let me see. I'm going to put two boxes. Okay. And here's the first box and the second box. In the first box, I'm going to put a mark if you get it right. And if you didn't speak on time, like I'll count it as unanswered. Okay.
So it's like right and wrong.
Yes,
Right.
as maybe unanswered, not even wrong or something. Unanswered. Okay.
Okay.
So, are you ready now?
Yeah.
What is 3 times 5?
3 times 5 is gonna
15.
be
15.
50.
You didn't answer that. Don't even tell me 3 times 5. Just give me the answer straight. Once I say, what is 3 times 5? Just say 15. Okay?
Okay.
But by the time you start preparing for the speech, 3 times 5 is going to be, I would have said it. What is 4 times 8? 32. Mhm. What is 2 times 5? 10.
10.
Well, almost there, but not there yet. What is 3 times 9? 27.
8. Oh.
Mhm. What is 4 times 5? 20. Okay. What is 6 times 5? 30. Okay. What is 5 times 5? 25.
20.
No. What is 4 times 4? 16.
16.
I said it before you. What is 10 times 8? 80.
8. I should have known that.
Mm-hmm. You should, but I'm just trying to drill you so that you can buckle up in your ability to answer such questions quickly.
Okay.
What is 2 times 0?
2.
Okay, let me say you get
Oh.
let me say you get this one. What is 2 times 9?
18.
Okay, 18. What is 2 times 8?
16.
16. Okay. What is 7 times 3? 21. What is 7 times 4? 28. Okay. What is 5 times 9? 45.
20. Oh.
45. 45. Okay. Now you see that you really need to sit down and learn this multiplication table, right?
Yeah.
Because You should be able to read it as fast as possible. Okay, before we go to what we have for today, which topic are you currently doing your mathematics at school?
Um, Somehow we moved to addition for some reason, but
Okay,
we're just practicing like in thousands,
okay,
in ten
adding
thousands.
adding up to thousand, 10,000, so no problem.
Yeah, I think we're gonna start division soon.
No problem. And that is in fact, for the division, that's the essence of having to, you need to know this multiplication because if I say what is 5 times 3 and that's 15, then I know
Mm,
that 15 divided by 5 should be 3. Or 15 divided by 3 should be 5, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, hold on. Just hold on. All right. Let's before we move to what we have for today, let's just look into a typical or two like 2, 3, and 4 tables. So table 2, table 3, and table 4. Of course, we have to multiply by 1, uh, and we multiply by 1, right?
Yeah,
Does it change the answers? That's 2, that's 3, and 4, right?
yes.
So if I say 2 times 2, or 3
Four.
times 2, or 4 times 2. Yeah. So this is 4. What is the next one?
That will
6.
be six.
And this
That will
is
be
what?
eight. Eight.
Okay. So I said 2 times 3. You notice that this is 3 times 2 and this is 3 times 2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Should they be the same?
Yes, they will be the same answer. So that will be
So
six.
this is 3 times 3. Just add 3 to this.
Nine.
And this is 4 times 3. Just add 4 to that.
That's 12.
12. Then,
Oh, so let's. Okay, never mind. I get it.
yeah, you just add in, right?
Yeah.
And you're just adding 3. You're just adding 2, right?
Yeah.
You add 2 to this to get this. You add 3 to this to get this. You add 4 to this to get this. Okay, so 2 times 4, you know, 3 times 4, and 4 times 4 should be what?
Okay, so 60.
Okay, so 2 times 5, 3 times
10.
5,
15.
and 4 times 5. You just add 4.
20.
Yeah, just add 4 to this. So you keep
Okay.
adding them down. So 2 times 6, add 2 to this. 3 times
12.
6, add 3 to 15. And 4 times 6, add 4 to 20.
20. That's 24.
Then 2 times what now? 7.
7.
And 3 times 7,
14.
add 3 to 18.
That, that'll be 21.
Yes, 21. Hold on. I'm trying to write it very well. And 4 times 7, just add 4 to that answer there.
4 plus 20 is 28.
So 2 times 8, that's next, add 2 to this. 3 times 8,
40.
then 4 times 8. 2
32.
times 9,
18.
3 times 9, and 4 times
27.
9. You see, and
36.
yeah, you see, and we can, let me try to reduce them a bit so that I will be able to. right at the bottom. So now 2 times 10 equal to
That
what?
would be 20.
And 2 times 11 will be what?
That would be 22.
And this will be
24.
24. So 3 times 10,
That would be 30.
yes. And 3 times 12,
33. 33.
4
36.
times 10, 4 times
40.
11,
44.
4 times 12.
48.
So you will observe that we've been able to get this by addition, repeated addition, right?
Yeah.
So the first part is you are skip counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
6,
14,
8,
16,
10.
18, 20, 22, 24. And the next one you skip counting 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. And the last one you skip counting 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. Now, let's try again. You are going to run a race on this board. Just hold on, okay? Hold on. So, like I said, you're going to run a race on the board. The race you're running is to speedily tell me the answer, whether by looking at it on the board or by telling me from your head. Anyone I'm going to ask you from among the ones on the board. So, what is 4 times
Uh,
5?
4 times 5 is 20.
20, right?
Yeah.
I was too slow to judge you in that one, so I won't be too slow next time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What is 2 times 8?
That would be 16.
Sorry, I've written it already, right?
Yeah.
So, what is 2 times 12?
24.
24. Okay, let me give you that one. What is 2 times 11?
22.
Okay. What is 3 times 11?
33.
33. Okay, what is 2 times 11?
22.
Okay. What is 3 times 10?
30.
What is 2 times 10?
20.
Okay. What is 4 times 10?
40.
Yeah, you're too slow with that one. So what is 4 times 9?
36.
36. What is 3 times 9? 27.
Times. Oh.
What is 2 times 9?
18.
18. Okay, what is 2 times 2?
4.
What is 3 times 2?
4.
No, 3 times 2. 6.
Oh, I thought you said 2 times 2.
Okay, what is 4 times 2?
4 times 2 is 8.
Is 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is 4 times 3?
12.
12. Okay. What is 4 times 4?
16.
Okay. What is 4 times 2?
8.
What is 4 times 1?
4.
4. What is 4 times 3?
12.
Okay. What is 4 times 2?
8.
8. What is 4 times 5?
20.
20. Okay. What is 4 times 4?
16.
16. What is 4 times 12? 48.
48.
Okay. Yeah, I wrote that one before you. So what is 3 times 12?
36.
36. What is 3 times 1?
3.
3. What is 3 times 2?
6.
What is 3 times 8?
3 times 8 is
24.
24.
24. What is 3 times 9?
27.
27. What is 2 times 6?
12.
What is 2 times 5?
10.
What is 2 times 4?
2 times 8.
Okay. What is 2 times 8?
2 times 8 is
Is
16.
16. Okay. So now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So you should be able to remember that.
Yeah.
3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times
6.
3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. So whenever you get to times 10, you should know that you just put a 0 by the number. So 8 times 10 is 80. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. When you multiply by 10, just add a 0 to that number. Like 9 times 10, just 9 and 0, that's 90. Like 7 times 10 is what?
70.
70. What about 12 times 10?
12 times 10, that would be 120.
120. What about 11 times 10?
110. 110.
110. Yes. So
Yeah.
what about 10 times 10?
100.
100. What about 5 times 10?
50.
50. 6 times 10?
60.
60. Okay, so your multiplication table should be easy. What is 3 times 7?
3 times 21.
21. What about 3 times 6?
18.
18. 3 times 7 again?
I just said it. 21.
Yes, I'm saying it again so that you can remember it again. Okay.
Okay.
So that even without looking at the board, you will be able to tell me. So what is 3 times 7 now?
21.
What about 3 times 6?
18.
Uh-huh. So 3 times 6 is what? 18. And 3 times 7 is what? 21.
21.
What about 2 times 6 and 2 times 7? That's 12
2
and
times.
14, right? What about
Yeah.
4 times 6 and 4 times 7? That's
4 times
24
6.
and 27, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm just trying to let you relate those answers so that whenever you hear it, even after the class, somebody say 4 times 7, you remember it's 28. Say 4 times 2, you remember it's 8. When you say 4 times 10, you remember it's 40. And you can easily guess 4 times 11 to be what?
Will be 4 times 11 is 44.
Even without looking, you should get it because your 4 times 10 is 40. And if you add 4, you get 4 times 11, right?
Yeah.
Which is 44. Okay. If 5 times 10 is 50, what is 5 times 11?
5 times 11
Don't repeat
is
the question. Don't repeat the question again. It's 55. Don't repeat the question again. I'll give you another one. Why? Before I give you another one, bear in mind that the times mean you are adding that number, okay?
okay.
So if 2 times 10 is 20, what is 2 times 11?
22.
Uh-huh. If 3 times 10 is 30, what is 3 times 11?
33.
You just have to add 3 to the answer I gave you, right?
Yeah.
If 9 times 10 is 90, what is 9 times 11?
9 times 11
I
is
said don't repeat the question. Just add 9 to the answer I gave you. So what does it take you to add 9 to 90?
99.
Uh-huh. Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Yeah.
So don't repeat the question. If 8 times 10 is 80, what is 8 times 11?
81.
I said you add 8.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
8 times 11. That will be.
I gave you
Oh,
80.
listen.
Then just add 8 to 80. That's 88. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's try again. If 7 times 10 is
Can you
70,
hear me?
I can hear you. If
Okay.
if 7 times 10 is 70, what is 7 times 11?
7 times 11
I
is
said don't repeat the question.
77.
Uh-huh,
Okay,
77.
I'm sorry.
If 6 times 10 is 60, what is 6 times 11?
66.
66. And that's it. You're getting it. If 4 times 10 is 40, what is 4 times 11?
44.
44. If 9 times, okay, where have I? Okay, let's try this one. If 10 times 10 is 100, what is 10 times 11?
100 and 111.
110 because you're adding 10. It's 10 times. I'm asking you yes or no.
Oh, yes.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
So if, let me now remove this from the board and ask you generally. If 5 times 10 is 50, what is 5 times 11?
55.
55. You know, it's a repeated addition. You're adding that particular number to it, right?
Yes.
Okay. On your own, you practice all of the multiplication tables, okay?
Okay.
But then we will quickly move to what we have for today. Today, we want to look at expressing numbers as product of prime factors. Just hold on. Hold on. Let's see. All right, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Do you know what prime numbers are?
Yeah. The
What
prime numbers. Wait,
what
I
what
can
are
say it.
what are prime numbers?
Numbers I can divide the number
I can divide what?
itself.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Okay.
say it again.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, a prime number. Let me just say, a prime number is a number that can divide the other number itself.
Okay. You know something about it. Yeah. Yeah. Because I can see you're mentioning itself, right?
Yeah.
Uh, but let me just do it this way. The first thing about prime numbers is that prime numbers must have two factors, okay?
Okay.
Prime numbers. Number one, they have only two factors, not more than two, okay?
Okay.
You remember when we used to look for factors of numbers, right?
Yeah.
For example, if I give you some random numbers on the board, if I mention 20, we want to look for the factors, okay?
Okay.
And I mention 9, okay? Then I mentioned 2, and I mentioned, let's say, 21. I mentioned 17, and I mentioned 27. And finally, I mentioned something like 29. Can you try and help me to check all these numbers? Which of them have only two factors?
Okay.
Yeah, 20. Does 20 have only two factors?
No.
Okay, you are correct. But then, what are the factors of 20? Maybe I can.
Wh-
1,
Okay. 1, 2,
uh-huh,
and 4
4,
and 20 itself.
What about 5? 4 times 5 is
Oh,
20. What about
oh yeah,
10?
then 5.
What about 10? 2 times 10 is 20. Then you can
Yeah.
mention 20. In as much as it doesn't have only two factors, it is not a prime number. Not a prime,
Okay.
okay?
Okay, because
Because
one
it has
times.
more than, wait, because it has more than 2, okay?
Okay,
Prime factors should have how many, prime numbers should have how many factors?
2 factors.
So is 20 a prime number?
No.
Because it has more than 2 factors. Let's check 2. What are the factors of 2?
1
1 and what?
and 2
Is there any
and
other
2.
number that divides 2?
No.
No. So 2 has how many factors?
One.
How many
2
factors?
factors.
2 factors. So it is a prime number, yes or no?
Yeah.
Because prime number must have only 2 factors, right?
Yes.
What about 9? What are the factors of 9?
1,
Hmm.
2.
Can 2 divide 9? 2 times what will give you 9?
Wait. 2.
2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. So will any one of them give you 9? No. So 9 is not on table 2, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
3.
3. And what again? And 9 itself.
No.
So does 9 has 2 factors?
No.
How
3
many?
factors.
It has 3. So it's not a prime number. What about 21? What are the factors of 21?
1,
Mhm.
2.
2 cannot. Is 21 on the 2 times table? No. So that is why 2 is not a factor of 21. If you check your 2 times table, let's check it again. Where is the 2 times table? Is 21 among them?
No.
So why should you say 2 is a factor of 21? 2 is a factor to all of these numbers, okay?
Okay.
3 is a factor to all of these numbers. 4 is a factor to all of these numbers. Is that clear?
Yes.
Can 4 be a factor to 25?
No.
No, because it's not there. 25 is not there. Can 3 be a factor to 28?
No.
It's missing there, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we're saying. So 1, then 3,
3.
7, and 21. Those are the numbers you can see on, all of these numbers are factors of 21. On the multiplication table of this number, you can see 21, okay?
Okay.
Now, is 21 a prime number?
No, it has 4 factors.
Yeah, it has more than 2 factors. What about 17? What are the factors of 17? Only 1 and
1.
17.
Oh, okay.
Only 1 and 17 would divide 17, nothing more. So is it a prime factor? I mean, is it a prime number?
Yes, because it
Yes.
has 2
What
factors.
about 27?
7. 1,
Mm-hmm.
2 cannot be under 3.
Mm-hmm.
5.
5 cannot. That's not possible. So
And
3 times 9 is 27.
7.
And 27 itself. So it's not a prime. What about 29? The numbers that can divide 29 are just 1 and 29, okay?
And okay, so that's a prime
It's a
number.
prime number. Now look at it. You can now define prime number. Prime number is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So prime number 2 is divisible by only 1 and 2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Prime number 17 is divisible by only 1 and 17. Yes or no?
Yes.
Prime number 29 is divisible by what? Only 1 and
29. 29.
29. So prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and the number itself, okay?
Okay.
By 1 and itself. That's what you were trying to mention. So if I ask you to list all the prime numbers from 1 to 30, do you think you can do it?
Yeah. Like
List.
on paper.
Yes, you are going to write this out. Just write this out. So when you're through, you send it to me. So list all the prime numbers from
One
1
to 30.
to 30. So when you finish, you send it to me, okay?
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right. All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly. Hear me now.
Yeah.
When I ask you to list the prime numbers from 1 to 30, okay, I just expected you to just say, okay, I know 1 is not a prime number. Then you go ahead and say, okay, 2 is a prime number. Yeah, 3 is a prime number. 4 is not. Then 5 is a prime number. 6 is not. 7 is a prime number. 8 is not. 9 is not. 10 is not. But 11 is a prime number. All these numbers are prime numbers because only 1 and the numbers themselves can divide them. Nothing else can divide any one of them, okay?
Okay.
Then 13 is a prime number. 14, no. 15, no. 16, no. But 17 is a prime number. 18, no. 19 is a prime number. 20, no. 21, no. 22, no. 23 is a prime number. 24, no. 25, no. 26, no. 27, no. 28, no. 29 is a prime number. And
Yeah.
30, no. So these are all the prime numbers, right?
Yeah.
From 1 to 30. Though I could see what you've done, like you were trying to list all the factors of these numbers, right?
Yeah.
And that alone will allow you to get, to know which one. So you're right by saying two, but I didn't expect you to list anything here, okay?
Okay.
And you're just listing from um, 1 to 30. So this is 1 up to what? 30, right?
Yes.
So all you just need to do, not that you want to be circling the prime numbers that exist in the factors also. So all you just need to do is say, okay, 2, yeah, 3, yeah, 5, yeah, 7, yeah, then 11, correct, 13, correct, 17, correct, 19, correct, 23, correct. Then you did not circle this one. Why? Even though you know that it's only two numbers, only two
Yeah,
factors.
I realized that when I was taking the pictures. I was like, I don't know what to do after, so I thought I should send a new one.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. So at least if I check all of these prime numbers, it's good that you're able to even figure out the factors of other numbers too, right?
Yeah.
It's good. But next time in exam, you don't have to take an hour, okay?
Okay.
You just have to do it within a few seconds. All you can just do is to list numbers 1 to 30, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30.
30.
So now you just have to say, okay, which one of them are prime number? 1 is not a prime number. So we'll start with 2. Yeah, hold on. I think I clicked on something there. Okay, so we'll start with 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number because nothing can divide those numbers apart from 1 and the numbers themselves. 7 is a prime number. 11 is the next. 13 is the next. 17 is the next. Then 19 is the next. 23 is the next. And the only one that remains there is 29. So what is the first prime number?
The first prime number is 2.
2. That's correct. What's the next one? 3, followed by
3,
5, followed by 7.
5,
So whenever you
7.
are asked to express a number as a product of its prime, that's what I said we wanted to do today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've not even done it. We're just busy explaining what a prime number is and what a prime number is not. So let me now take it to the bottom and we try to just do some of these questions while I give you the remaining ones to do as assignment. Maybe I should do from number 1 to, okay, I'll just pick them randomly, okay?
Okay.
If I'm doing number 1, I want to express what? 8 as a product of its prime. I'll pick my 8, then I'll put 2 max here. What times what
Oh,
will give me 8?
okay. So
You
let's
must start
do
with the first prime number. So what's the first prime number?
the first prime number is 2.
Times what now? I'll give my 8.
So 2 times 4
4,
is
correct.
8.
So you can see that out of these two products, one is a prime number, the other is not, right?
Yeah.
The one that is not, you still split it. Pick 2 again. So 2 times what?
2 times 2 is 4.
Good. So 2 is a prime number, yes or no?
Yes.
Good. We are done, right?
Yeah.
So how do you, what's the result of this? That is how many
So
twos?
it's
3 twos, right?
3.
That is 2 raised to power 3. That's the answer, okay?
Okay.
Which is 2, 2, and 2, right?
Yes.
That is like 2 times 2 times 2. Is that
Times
clear?
2.
Or I just
Yes.
say, okay, it's 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 2 raised to power 3,
8.
which is 8.
Oh, take 5 minutes.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's
Yeah.
8. It's 8. But it's 2 raised to power 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So this
So
is
when I. Okay, sorry.
this is
Keep
the
on.
product of its prime, okay?
Okay.
Product means multiplication. So let me write number 2. Number 2 is 12, right?
Yes.
Look here, please. So what do you think? What's the first prime number again?
The first prime number 2.
Times what now?
So that 6.
6. So you can see that you figured out that, okay, this is a prime number, the other is not. The one that is not a prime number, you still split it. So 2 again times what?
Times 3.
3. Are both of them prime numbers?
Yes.
Okay, so with that, let's settle it, okay?
Okay.
So what is the answer to this one?
2 times 2 times 3.
2 times 2 times 3. That's the answer. So, but you just have to leave it in index form, 2 in 2 places and 3 in 1 place. You don't need to put 1. Don't put 1, okay?
Okay.
So let's do another one. Like this is number 3. It's 24. So what do you think?
So the first prime number is 2
Times what?
times. Hold on. Times
You can divide it. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 4, 2. That's all.
okay.
2 in
So
2 is what? 1, right?
1.
2 here
Yeah.
is what? 2. So that's 2
2.
times 12, yes or no?
Yes.
Now you know
2
the
times
value,
12.
know the importance of knowing how to divide, yes or no?
Yes.
So what's the next thing?
Oh, so it was 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 12 times 12, sorry. Anyways,
Mhm.
so we're gonna do um
Take the 2 again,
we're
times
gonna bring
what?
down 2 again times 6.
6. So you can see that this is a prime number, this is a prime number, but 6 is not a prime number. You can still split it into prime numbers. So what do you think?
So 2 times so times
2 times what will give me 6?
3. 3.
3.
3.
So you can see they are both prime numbers now. So we will not stop until we reach the end of the prime numbers. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So what's the answer to this one? That is 2 raised to power 3 times 3, right?
Yes.
So you must write out your answer like this as product of its prime. Okay, I'm going to send the notes over, but let me do some more. I've done number 1, 2, 3, which I'm going to remove from the question page. Number 1 and 3.
So we're
Hold on, hold on. I'm not doing all these ones. I'm just going to jump to something like number 16, okay?
okay.
Number 16 says 5,400. So let's do it together. Number 16 says what?
Two,
5,400. So 2 times what? How many
two
2? How many 2
times
goes in 5? 2. Remainder 1. How many 2
two.
goes in 14? 7. 2 in 0 and 2 in 0. Okay. 2 times what
Okay.
again? How many 2 goes in 1? 2, 1. In 7, 3. Remainder 1. In 10, 5. In 0.
5,
Are you getting it?
0. Yeah.
2 times what now? How many 2 in 13? That's
That will be
6. Remainder 1.
60.
In 15, 7. Remainder 1. In 10, that's 5. 2 cannot go now, okay?
Okay.
But we can use 3. 3 is the next prime number. If 3 will not go, then use 5, okay?
Okay.
So how many 3 goes in 2? In 6, that's 2. In 7, that's 2, remainder 1. In 15, that's what? 5. 3
5.
can still go. 3. How many 3 goes in 22? That's 7, remainder 1. How many 3 in 15? That's 5, okay?
Okay.
Then 3 can still go. How many 3 in 7? That's 2, remainder 1. 3 in 15, that's what? 5.
5.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Then, can 3 go again? No. What number can go?
No.
5.
5.
And it's a prime number. So you can see that all these numbers are what?
Are prime
They're
numbers.
prime numbers. Is that clear?
Yes.
And
So
it's
we're not going to be doing. Okay.
wait. And it's pretty much simple, right?
Yeah.
So what's going to be the answer for this one? That's going to be how many
2,
twos? 2 raised by 3. How many threes? 3 raised by 3.
3,
How many 5? 5 raised by 2.
1.
5 raised by 2,
Oh, yeah.
right?
There's 2.
Hmm. Is it clear to you?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to send you the notes. You write down the
Okay.
notes. Then you will do the remaining ones against Friday, right?
Yes.
Okay. That is where we're going to be rounding up the class for today.
So I'll do this one for homework, right?
You'll do all the remaining ones for homework against Friday, okay?
Okay. So we're not doing HCF and LCM anymore.
Maybe later.
Okay.
Okay. At least we have to switch to something since you already have an idea of what that is all about, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So goodbye for now.
Bye.
All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. And that'll be it for now. I say goodbye.